Have you ever experienced that peculiar sensation, a phantom buzz within your pocket, or found yourself entangled in the involuntary act of scrolling through digital feeds when sleep was your true intention? While we are accustomed to lamenting a mere lack of fortitude or willpower, the true architect of this behavior may reside much deeper, within the intricate and subterranean world of your gut microbiome. We are profoundly engaged with the gut-brain axis, exploring how your microbial inhabitants might dictate your very interactions with the digital realm. The gut-brain axis serves as a sophisticated, bidirectional communication highway, linking the enteric nervous system, our second brain, to the central nervous system. Consider the microbial architects of reward. Certain bacteria, such as Bacillus and Serratia, possess the extraordinary capacity to produce dopamine, the primary neurotransmitter involved in reward and addiction. Should the microbiome fall into a state of dysbiosis, it skews our reward processing, rendering the hit of a social media notification far more urgent and indeed more addictive. Furthermore, the stress response is inextricably tied to our internal residence. When the microbiome is in distress, cortisol levels rise, often driving the individual toward digital escapism as a misguided coping mechanism. The physical conduit for this profound dialogue is the vagus nerve, a massive biological cable connecting gut to brain. Current research suggests that microbial signals traveling up this nerve directly influence our capacity for decision-making and impulse control. In a world meticulously designed to capture our fleeting attention, a resilient microbiome may well be your most formidable defense. Diversity is the hallmark of health. A thriving microbial ecosystem equips the brain to navigate the attention economy without succumbing to a dopamine-seeking spiral. To nourish your focus, one must prioritize prebiotics, which sustain the microbes that produce short-chain fatty acids. These molecules assist in protecting the blood-brain barrier and enhancing cognitive clarity. Additionally, fermented products introduce an expansive array of probiotic strains and postbiotics, which have been shown to diminish the anxiety that so often precipitates mindless scrolling. We also recommend a ritual of digestive rest, ceasing all caloric intake at least 2 hours before retiring for the evening. This allows the gut to rest and permits the brain to enter a state of deep, restorative sleep, free from the interference of digital stimulation. Are you prepared to reclaim your attention span from the inside out? If you wish to learn more regarding the unique Bravo line, a sophisticated array of fermented products featuring an expansive variety of probiotic microbes and postbiotics, we invite you to initiate a dialogue. You may reach us directly via electronic mail at info@bravoeurope.com.